Savvy Money Show with me, your host Sean. If you find any of today's entertainment helpful, don't forget to smash that lovely like button. Helps with the YouTube algorithm and getting the video out to more people. If you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and bell notification. You'll be notified when the video gets uploaded. If you're looking for a free trading platform on which to trade your stocks and shares, don't forget to look in the links in the description below. You get a free share worth up to £200 for signing up and depositing a small amount. Free trade just requires £1 deposit. So why wouldn't you? Now on with the show. Docusign is a stock that has taken off and progressed during this period. We have heard of certain stocks that have gained 10 years growth during this time and accelerated their growth. Docusign is one of them. You've also heard me talking about stocks to pick up for in case of a second wave, rather than doing what some people have done and pulling all your money out, fighting the Fed, pulling all your money out in case of a crash. And don't get me wrong, I think you should hold 10 to 20% in cash anyway. Then what I'm suggesting is you do hold some of these companies that do well. They do okay when there isn't a crash, and they do well and excel when there is a crash. So it's like hedging your bets. It's like having all tanker stocks and oil stocks. Best of both worlds. And docusign will ticker symbol DOCU will soon be replacing United Airlines in the Nasdaq 100. Now, what does that mean? That means that there are 103 slots on the Nasdaq 100 for non-financial companies that make up tech companies, of which DocuSign is one of them, which means someone has to be kicked out, which will be United Airlines. It has been beaten about like all airlines, and this will make its price plummet. Now, will it make the rest of the airlines price plummet? Along with the fact that 22 states have seen a spike in coronavirus cases, and there was another outbreak in China. Well, who knows? But what we do know is United Airlines will fall and DocuSign will rise, as that's what always happens when a company goes to the 100 and one gets kicked out. Why is it going there? Well, it has increased its guidance and its expected revenue, saying it's expecting it next quarter to be up to be 220 million instead of 218 million. It's expecting its revenue for the whole of 2020 to be over $1 billion. Now, that's just for the quarter. Now, for the quarter, it's taken in 297 million. For the first quarter, taken in 279 million, which is up 39% year on year. It's had 39,000 more subscribers, but 68,000 more customers this period. So the subscribers are different from customers, because the subscribers are people who come on board and are regularly paying. Customers are people who are one time, but like for instance, I'm going to go and buy a house, but I'm not leaving my house to go and sign the documents I'll sign with DocuSign. Yeah, and don't forget, people who may use this service once may see how easy it is and move onto it. And these figures do not include the people who have been sent a file, have opened that file, and then signed that way. Because I haven't been a customer or a subscriber, but I have used DocuSign about, let's see, over 1,000 times, because I've been sent files by DocuSign, and I know how good it is. Remember when email came in and it was suddenly, but we still all needed hard copies? Now email is legally an accepted form of a copy. DocuSign is now an accepted legal form with an e-signature, and it holds up in court. So these sort of things are a big boost for these companies. You also have to remember the companies are cutting costs. Seen that with the rise in Zoom, companies are realising, hold on, we should have been losing money this quarter, but we're gaining money. Why are we? But hold on, people and smart people like Facebook and Apple and all that, our people have been working from home. That's why. But we've had to invest in these technologies like web chat, Zoom, DocuSign. Yes, but we haven't had to pay travel. We haven't had to fly someone across the country or across another continent just to get them to sign a document. This is a company that I think can grow and grow. Has a forward PE of 193. Doesn't have a PE at the moment purely because it isn't profitable. But I think that will change soon at the rate it's going. Now, I wish I got in when I looked at it first at $40. I wish, but that's what happens. But I will be getting in now, because even if the rise is a short-lived rise, even if it just goes up in a short-term basis, you know, it's still worth it. You buy a few shares, if it jumps up, you trim some off and take out your original investment and leave a couple there. That's what I'll be doing. Of course, I may, if I see the trend line showing it going up and up, I may just leave it all there. Depends on what the SMA is doing. Anyway, I hope you'll leave your comments in the box below. Do you agree with me? Do you think I'm being crazy? You're in good company if you do. But I hope you'll leave me a like and a subscribe if you haven't already, and thank you to everyone who has subscribed, and thank you for giving up your time to watch this video. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.